In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pan in Bluebeam. Panning is the simple action of moving your view across a PDF without changing the zoom level. It's like sliding the page under a magnifying glass so you can inspect details or navigate large drawings smoothly. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once the document is on screen and fully loaded, make sure the main window is active so your mouse and keyboard shortcuts apply to the PDF, not to a dialog box or another application. Next, choose the pan tool. You can do that by selecting the hand icon on the toolbar. It typically looks like an open hand, and when it's active, your cursor will change to a hand to confirm you're in pan mode. If you prefer shortcuts, press the H key on your keyboard to activate the same tool instantly. This is helpful when you're switching between reviewing and navigating and want to keep your workflow quick and consistent. With the pan tool active, click and hold the left mouse button anywhere on the page, then drag. As you drag, the page will move in the direction of your mouse. Pull left to see content on the left, push right to move to the right, and drag up or down to travel vertically. Keep your eye on reference points like grid lines or callouts to keep your bearings as you move. If you're working on a high resolution or large format drawing, small mouse movements can carry you a long way, so start gently and adjust your speed as needed. Panning works the same whether you're zoomed way in for detail or pulled back for a broad view, and it's often used together with zooming for precise navigation. On a laptop trackpad, click and hold with one finger and move across the pad to achieve the same effect. Because panning is a navigation tool, it won't change or edit your PDF, so you can move freely without worrying about altering markups or text. When you reach the area you want to review, simply release the mouse button to stop panning. The view will stay exactly where you leave it, ready for you to read, measure, or mark up. If you need to continue exploring, just click, hold, and drag again. No extra setup required. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, choose the pan tool, or press H, click and drag to move and release to stop. With a little practice, you'll glide through complex sheets quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and happy reviewing.